Schleich Farm World Farm Animal Toys for Boys and Girls In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 1937 ratings and 157 reviews. 96% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 2% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Well made. These animals are very well made with excellent detailing. Also, they are a practical size for kids to play with to create a farm or zoo."
Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. It was okay. It was cute, but too tiny. Maybe I did not read the description correctly. I was expecting something way bigger. But it is cute. That's it.